Hi there, and welcome back to the HQ. Today, we're going to be reacting to Fionna and Cake, Episode 6, The Bird and the Clock. Last time, we had a lot of trick sequences traveling through time with Huntress and Cake, traveling through the time of the old tree, from past to future, seeing moments where the magic faded from Fionna World. Meanwhile, Fionna is getting herself even deeper in debt, promising more and more money to Queenie to save the sweet spot, while at the same time now crawling to Miss Aberdeer in order to get the money at any means necessary. This just won't end well, will it? Oh, let's just see just how worse and worse it's gonna get for Fionna, because it just doesn't seem to end. Also, Finn's still dying. That's so a thing. Hopefully he doesn't croak on us. We don't need a croak dream. We don't want to see that owl. No croak dreams.
A long time ago, before the dawn of most things.
Oh, we're getting some story time?
And
oh.
They were inseparable.
Oh. Oh, they were literally inseparable. They were literally fused together.
A mischievous pair.
Oh. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh, they stole the ancient pizza?
Pizza which they had been told never to touch.
Oh.
But dang, how good it was.
Oh, they got fat.
Until...
Uh-oh. Well, that's not good.
When they found themselves in serious hot water, these tight-knit brothers began quarreling for the very first time.
Oh, they turned on each other. Uh-oh. Did my mates turn into a pizza cutter?
Never to be heard from again.
Oh.
The other was chastised for betraying his brother and was sentenced to become Fate's messenger.
Oh. So that's the origins of the Cosmic Owl then. Just randomly at the beginning of an episode, we've got a Cosmic Owl intro. It does make me wonder then, are we going to get more stuff on the other brother now too? It seems like it. I love how, like, you could rationalize this OP as just Fionna continuously just running through all the people in her life, screwing up more and more. I wonder if the bird could be the Cosmic Owl. Maybe.
What's up, Fionna? Is
Oh.
everything okay? You sounded so serious on the phone.
Dead serious.
Oh, that's not good. Oh!
Nice ambiance.
Very nice ambiance. Do you? Also, there's Starchy again. Oh. Oh. So I guess...
Early friend.
Oh, she's an alternate version of Hunter, marooned in our universe.
Oh. Kind of casual with it. I mean, it'll be interesting. Oh.
Wait, what are we doing here?
Surprise!
That's a very good...
It's our venue.
Okay, for on one thing, it's kind of weird, just, you know, Fionna, why would you just spring this on Marshall and get his mom involved without his consent? And at the same time, Marshall, this is why you need to express how uncomfortable you are with your mother to your friends. Like, this is just a whole mess, because, like, considering how cagey he was about his mother to his boyfriend, I doubt he's told Fionna. But at the same time, Fionna, you shouldn't be getting your friend's parents involved.
Why? Can't a mother help her son?
We had to move fast, so I made the deal last night.
Why are you getting the fog machine in
We can
there?
fit so many people in here.
But why would you want to?
Oh. Oh. That is... Why? Why would you do that?
Is that
Someone...
one yours?
Not at all. It's for you. Or whoever Marshall ends up with.
Oh.
We'll see how this works out.
Gee, thanks.
Mm.
No.
I mean, at least she's thinking of you, but also at the same time not thinking all that much, which is kind of shitty.
I know where it leads.
What? No, you don't.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
I
she's...
saw a vision of the future where you end up as her lackey.
No way that'll happen.
It literally
She's not
happened.
using me, I'm using her.
Are you sure that's how that's gonna work? We've seen how these things work out, Fiona.
Okay, people, we've only...
Oh, this is not gonna end well.
But isn't this kind of perfect? Where else can you
Maybe?
be sure your mom is going to hear what you're saying?
Yeah, I
And
mean, true.
Isn't it kind of punk or metal to play a set on top of your own grave?
I mean...
Huh?
I mean, yeah, he does kind of have a point.
I wanted to say...
Oh, is Hunter and Huntress finally gonna meet? Are they finally gonna meet? Oh. Oh. Oh, they're finally meeting.
Me. You're... me?
Oh.
No. You are a soft version of me. Weak.
Oh.
You don't know me. Let's keep it that way.
Oh.
Real tough guy, huh?
Just punched him out. This is not looking good for Finn. Ah,
I know a way to save him.
you're gonna want to turn him, aren't you? Oh,
No vampire stuff. I have a better idea.
dude, you're gonna turn him to candy, aren't you?
Old lady princess!
Oh,
I'm here.
oh,
Are we doing more kissing?
no. Oh, oh,
It's
oh.
good for morale if Finn looks healthy. And smooth.
Marceline.
Hmm. So you just want aesthetics then? That's not very healthy, dog.
But that's just cosmetic.
Oh.
Only treating the symptoms.
We need to keep people's spirits up, or there could be panic across multiple kingdoms. Finn.
Why?
That's not a good idea. It's not a good idea. Oh,
Marceline!
oh great, now Marceline is afflicted. That's not good.
You're listening to the original GROF. My name is DJ Slime. It's 5 past the hour. Get ready for an all-night jam with DJ Flame. Shout out to all my babies out there.
Oh. Oh. Oh, baby Finn. Baby Finn.
Baby Finn?
What is baby Finn talking about? Oh.
Finn.
Oh. What is... What is... Oh. Oh, that's how he looked when he died. That's how it looked when he died in that one episode.
Finn!
Oh, she passed out and she's dreaming, isn't she?
That's so weird. You're dreaming about.
Oh. Uh-oh. So now he has to go to Finn to give him his croak dream. Oh no. That's how bad it's gotten now. Like, Finn's gonna have a croak dream. Oh. What are you dreaming about now, Fiona? Uh-oh. Is this gonna be like a metaphor about how she destroys everything she touches? This seems like... Oh. I think this might be. Oh?
I'll get you out.
Oh. She's dreaming about the... about old Fiona world.
No
Uh-oh.
dream!
Uh-oh.
What's going on?
You're dreaming, genius.
Uh-oh.
Dreaming.
Oh. Now she has some dream self-awareness. Oh.
A little
Oh.
known fact, Sammy. Your ancient Egyptians there worshipped the feline animal.
What is... Uh-oh. Oh, they look kind of like Jake's kids. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh, they got everybody's dreams getting mixed up. Everybody's getting mixed up. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh. We're gonna see everybody's dreams, huh? This is gonna be a fun episode. Oh, not so fun.
Simone?
Oh, he's looking for Simone in his dreams. Oh? Oh. Oh, he has no shoes.
To make it so hard.
I'm sorry.
Oh.
You don't have to take that from her. Talk back.
Oh. Yeah, encourage him. Let's encourage him to be, like, independent in his dreams. Oh.
Look at what's happening.
Oh.
Ooh.
Whose dreams is this?
Ah.
Oh. 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 We were in your dream again.
By the way, sleeping with toys is normal.
Yow! Just like my dream.
Just like the dream.
Something off my first EP, Firefly.
Yeah, the Cosmic Owl's presence makes dreams come true. And he's on his way to give Finn a death dream.
Yeah. Baby Finn? Oh. Oh, yeah.
Sorta.
Yeah, Fiona is a Finn, so...
And you've been to Ooh.
Yeah.
Have you met Finn?
I've met a Finn.
You're thrice blessed.
I mean, technically she's met, like, 3 Finns. Because, I mean, she's met, Baby Finn. She met, Farm World Finn. I think there's one more Finn in there she's met, and I'm not thinking of off the top of my head. Because I don't think there was a Finn in, I don't think there was a Finn in, like, Candy Queen universe. I don't think there was. And I don't think there was a Finn in Apocalypse universe either. But at the very least, we know she's met a few Finns.
Think of him. Oh, hello!
Oh! Oh! Okay.
Where are we?
Oh.
We're in Finn's mind.
Oh.
Our meat bodies are still back in the cat's apartment.
Fionna! Huntress! Are you guys doing okay?
Oh.
Blech. Those things are in their brain.
Yeah, probably not the best idea to disturb. Finn's got a weird brain. Just food. Oh. Wrong Finn. Oh, it's the wrong Finn.
My head is fine. My heart is heavy. Jay ran away with little Destiny.
It's okay. They're both very happy and safe in my world.
Your world?
Well,
Finn?
they're in a Finn. Are all Finns connected? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, like, Farmold Finn has met, like, our Finn. So, acting as another conduit should work.
Think of him.
There you go, Marcy. Get all those color
Oh.
nutrients.
You're doing good, babe.
Oh, she's got to draw all the red out of PB's hair. Oh. 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 Into the TV we go, I guess. It's nice to see Farm World Finn again, though.
Are we early or too late?
Oh, I sure hope we're not too late. Oh. What is... Finn, what are you dreaming of, bub? Oh. He's getting into his hero thing. That's him.
Safe. We'll keep watch for Cosmic Owl.
Yeah. Yeah. He is a badass. Finn is a badass.
Bro can take care of himself.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Oh, that's not good. Oh. What happened? What happened?
Finn?
Oh.
Archers, ready! Loose
Oh.
those!
Yeah, yeah!
Oh.
But he died.
As
Yeah.
long as Cosmic Owl's in here, it don't count.
Well, that's good. So they just gotta keep... Cosmic Owl from being present at the point of Finn's death.
Come on, dude!
Oh? What was with the giant DJ Flame?
Good hit.
Finn, you're in a coma and we're in a dream.
Oh, cool.
Oh.
Who are you?
You're awfully
My name's
chill about
Fionna,
that.
And I'm here to keep you alive.
You're awfully chill about that, Finn. Oh. That's not good. That's not good. Hmm. Oh. Third eye. Oh.
Hurry.
They gotta kidnap Finn and get him out of here.
You're in a coma dream.
Oh. I don't think that's how that works. Oh, god damn it. Oh. God, this is incredibly inconvenient. God damn. Every time. Fiona's gotta get her mojo back. Gotta get her adventure Gotta get her adventure mojo back.
Who are you?
Oh. Oh. He's just getting, like, fatality'd over and over again. He's just catching these MK fatalities repeatedly. Oh. Well, that was quick. At this point, you gotta wonder if the Cosmic Owl just has it out for him with this. I mean, clearly he doesn't want to give him a croak tree, but he is just dying over and over again in his dreams. Oh, alarm clock. Oh, okay. Okay. Uh-oh, so what's gonna happen? Oh, there was another one. There was another one. God, at this point, how many times has Fionna seen him die? Oh boy.
Yeah, buddy. Feels good.
Finn.
Keep going.
That's what he...
Yeah. I mean, that's a very hopeful way to do a thing. Oh. Uh-oh. That's not good.
I hate this.
Uh-oh.
This is it. The Cosmic Owl is here.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Is this gonna be Cosmic Owl's croak? Oh! Uh-oh. Oh! The messenger has been croaked.
It's all good. I stopped the Cosmic Owl in time.
Did you? Ugh. I am with you. Is he gonna wake? Is it? It's not gonna. Uh-oh.
So, you, like, killed a god. Is that gonna be a big deal?
Probably? Oh, that's a lot of dead Finns. Or, no, that's a lot of dead
So what's your
Fionas.
story? You're like a hot meat.
Oh.
I owed you one.
Uh-oh. Yeah. Hmm.
Later, Mertens.
Later.
Who are you?
Oh, again.
Huntress,
He just keeps getting
you should
killed
let
in
know
his
what it means
dream.
to you.
I'm gonna remove my hands now.
What?
Oh.
Ah!
Drawn on her face. Oh. Willie? Oh, same. I wish I could drop like that.
Get killed like 1,000 times.
That is... Oh.
Faye, maybe you should take a day off.
Yeah.
I can't. I need to save the sweet spot and help my...
Yeah, she kind of did promise 70,000 for a little plot of land. Being a hero is never easy.
Yeah.
It's never an easy thing to do.
My heart.
Just something you gotta do.
DJ Slime all
Don't.
night. The city sleeps while we provide the beats. Here at GROF 95.5, we got those out of this.
Oh boy.
Today's sponsor,
Hey, what's up?
Everything's owned by Queenie, huh?
But I saw you in a dream. It felt important.
Yeah? What kind of dream?
Fiona, this is not going to end well for you, dog. You really shouldn't be doing that. Fiona, honey, I promise this is not going to end well. I promise.
This is kind of a big thing. I wanted to know if you...
I know what you're gonna ask. I've been thinking about it too.
Are you what? What?
Yes. I'll play at your fundraiser. Anything to help you, Fee.
Oh.
Oh. Oh, this is going to be awkward as heck, isn't it?
Fionna.
Fionna!
Oh.
Thanks.
What?
Hey!
What happened there? What
thanks.
was that?
He was kidding about a stalker. It was... nothing to worry about.
What was that about? What was that sudden blink of vision of Simon? Body's just sleeping. Open to... Oh, she's got to add the food coloring back to her hair. Bimo.
He's risen.
Bimo. So Huntress killed the Cosmic Owl. I'm sure that's going to have some serious negative repercussions. And also, I'm sure that Prismo's not going to be so happy about his buddy being murked right there in the middle of trying to give a croak dream. Then again, it was Finn's croak dream. So, you know, you kind of have to do what you got to do. But I'm sure that's definitely not going to end great. We've got more weird tension forming between Flame and Fionna. And of course, you still have this whole love triangle thing going on. And more diving into other worlds. You know, it's nice seeing other Finns. You know, we got to see Farmworld Finn again. That was cool. And him showing his appreciation to our Finn. And Fionna finally meeting the original Finn. Which I don't think she has done before. You know, that's cool. But yeah, things seem like they're going to be up, seem like they're going to be down. Everybody's getting ready for this fundraiser while Finn is slowly wasting away. And Bimo is just kind of managing. Let's see how this all turns out in the next episode, yeah. As always, don't forget to let me know what you thought about the episode in the comments below. Hit like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and ding that bell so you know when I upload, and it helps me in the algorithm. And as always, I will see you next time at the HQ. Bye-bye.